Hello children, welcome to social science class. In the last class we learned about the Egyptian civilization. Today we are going to discuss about the another prominent civilization of the ancient world, that is Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization. As we know already that all the ancient civilizations flourished on the banks of rivers. In the same way, the Mesopotamian civilization also flourished on the banks of river. The Mesopotamian civilization flourished in the area between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in modern Iraq. The Mesopotamian civilization flourished in the banks of rivers between Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Greek language, the word Mesopotamia means the land between the rivers. Here, the Mesopotamia means the land between Tigris and Euphrates rivers. This region, the Mesopotamia, ruled by many tribes. Among them, the prominent tribes which were ruled Mesopotamia were Sumerians, Hittites, Assyrians and Neo-Babylonians. These were the prominent tribes ruled in Mesopotamia. Among them, the Sumerians were the first tribe ruled in Mesopotamia. In that period, Sumerians have trade relationship with Indians also. In that period, Ur-Kish, Lagash were the prominent cities developed, means flourished, means developed in the period. And Sumerians used cuneiform system of writing. Sumerians used cuneiform script for writing. They writing on the wet slate. They writing on the wet dry. The Sumerians writing on wet clay slates ಅಂದರೆ ಹಸಿ ಜೇಡಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಫಲಕಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ. After Sumerians, the Akkadians and Amorites ruled in Mesopotamia. After Sumerians, Akkadians and Amorites ruled in Mesopotamia. But after Babylonians defeated the Akkadians and established a large state. Babylonians established a large state in Mesopotamia. Among the Babylonians, there were many kings ruled in Babylonians. Among them, Hammurabi was the most prominent king, most famous king who ruled in Mesopotamia. He was famous for his code of laws. Hammurabi was famous for his code of laws and he was the first ruler, he was the first king in the world who enforced the code of laws, and he famous for his code of laws in the world. His code of laws based on the ideas like an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. It means ಮುಯಿಗೆ ಮುಯಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತತ್ವದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿದ್ದವು ಅಂತ. After Hammurabi, Hittites. After Hammurabi, the Hittites tribe ruled in Mesopotamia, but Assyrians defeated the Hittites and ruled. They started Assyrians rule in Mesopotamia. Among the Assyrians, Ashurbanipal was the most prominent king. He was a great warrior and he was himself a poet also. Ashurbanipal was a famous king among the Assyrians. He founded a library in the place of Nineveh. Ashurbanipal founded a great library, very big library at the place of Nineveh. After Assyrians, Chaldeans ruled in Mesopotamia. After Assyrians, Chaldeans ruled in Mesopotamia. Among the Chaldeans, Nebuchadnezzar. The king Nebuchadnezzar was the most prominent king among the Chaldeans. He created hanging gardens. You can call this Tugu Udyana. Hanging gardens means Tugu Udyana. Nebuchadnezzar created hanging gardens in Babylonia. These hanging gardens was one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. After Nebuchadnezzar, who came to the power, they were not prominent. So finally, about 2500 years ago, the king Cyrus conquered the city of Babylonia. This resulted in the downfall of Mesopotamia civilization. Mesopotamians given great contributions to the ancient world. The Mesopotamians were the first in the world who enforced code of laws, and the Mesopotamians have trade relationship with India. Mesopotamian civilization have trade relationship with Harappa civilization and Egyptian civilizations. And the great contributions of Mesopotamians to the ancient world were Ziggurat. Ziggurat means the high-rise temples. High-rise temples were called Ziggurat, built by Mesopotamians. And the Gilgamesh. Gilgamesh is the great epic of Mesopotamians. These were the contributions of Mesopotamians to the ancient world. Thank you.